In this video, we talk about a hidden cost rarely mentioned in the valve industry. How much equipment craft details affect factory profits. Many factory owners only look at the price when buying test benches, ignoring basic processes like shell grinding and painting. To cut prices, many manufacturers paint directly after welding without fine grinding. The rough surface causes paint peeling, rust, and poor structural sealing, leading to leakage and pressure drift during long-term, high-pressure testing, resulting in batch rework, order delays, and customer claims losses far greater than the money saved on the machine. With over 10 years of experience in valve test benches and valve grinding machines, as a core supplier for many well-known domestic brands such as Shandong Audimat, we always adhere to field surface deep grinding technology. Every joint and weld surface of each machine is ground smooth before painting, which greatly improves paint adhesion, corrosion resistance, and service life. More importantly, it ensures tight fitting of the shell structure, fundamentally eliminates high-pressure leakage risks, and keeps pressure stable during long-term operation, minimizing failure rate for our customers. We now support full working condition, non-standard customization. From butterfly valves, gate valves to safety valves, from standard sizes to large caliber special working conditions, we can develop and produce according to your needs. We don't compete on low prices, we compete on long-term stable value.